Hello everyone, today we're going to take you on a tour of the 2011 Leopard 38 catamaran Good Day. This vessel was designed by naval architects Morelli and Melvin and built in South Africa by Robertson and Kane. We're excited to unveil this new listing, so let's step aboard and take a look. Good Day is a cruiser catamaran class focused on performance, comfort, and offering an abundance of outdoor space. And while this makes them a popular choice for charter companies, this particular vessel has never been in a charter fleet. The aft cockpit and lounge deck features a spacious dining table to port with all new cushions and a wide seat to starboard. The raised starboard helm station provides excellent visibility in all directions and holds all sailing and navigational instruments for easy and efficient handling from one place. Good Day is powered by twin Yanmar diesels with brand new ST20 sail drives and can routinely cruise at speeds between 5.5 and 6.5 knots. This boat also comes with all new sunshade panels for the cockpit, a new mainsail stack pack, and window covers for the interior. The cockpit is protected by the hardtop to provide all-weather protection and has a stepped transom on either side for easy boarding. The transom also houses the robust electric dinghy davits for simple and secure storage of the tender. Above the davits is the solar arch holding panels producing 1200 watts of off-grid energy. Included in the sale of Good Day is the 2017 Highfield tender and a 2018 Tohatsu outboard. This boat has been refit with new Raymarine electronics including Smart Pilot X Series autopilot, GPS, AIS 700 receiver and transponder, and Quantum 2 radar. All running rigging was replaced in 2024 and runs back to the helm for easy solo handling. On deck, Good Day has quite a few other notable jobs completed, including replacement of all standing rigging in 2019 with new wire, terminals, and turnbuckles. There is also a brand new inventory of Ullman brand sails, including mainsail, headsail, and Code Zero with a new Selden roller furler. Good Day also comes with an inventory of dock lines, docking fenders, and 2 stand-up paddleboard racks. Full forward is the trampoline, replaced in 2024, and the 64-pound Mantis anchor with 200 feet of new chain. There's also a new Maxwell helm-located auto anchor installed in 2020. The foredeck provides a great space for lounging both at anchor and while under sail. There is a large, wide area forward of the coach roof, suitable for lounging, yoga and fitness, or even stargazing. As we move around, you can see this compact catamaran has a really functional and sleek exterior layout. In 2010, this design even won several categories in Cruising World's Boat of the Year awards and was also named Best Boat by Sail magazine. The comfortable and secure cockpit is seamlessly connected to the interior main salon by the sliding glass doors, creating a flow-through design which makes movement aboard safe and convenient. Moving inside, you'll find another great design feature right away, which is the aft-facing Galley-up configuration. This keeps the cook connected to the main social space, as well as allows for food and beverages to be easily passed out directly to the cockpit. Large vertical windows surround the salon, and with the 2 vertical opening hatches directly forward, you get a living space filled with natural light, excellent visibility, and ventilation while underway or at anchor. The practical U-shaped galley comes with a 2-burner Force 10 propane range and oven and a separate induction cooktop. Adjacent to the galley to starboard is your drawer-style Vitrifrigo fridge and freezer combo, replaced in 2017. Above that is a working surface and electrical controls for the vessel, including AC/DC panels, air conditioner controls, battery monitor, stereo, and VHF radio. Good Day has 900 amp-hours of Victron lithium batteries installed in 2018, with 2 new 92 amp-hour AGMs installed as a separate bank in 2024. Owners will be surprised at the abundance of practical storage spaces integrated throughout the cabins, salon, and galley, as well as the traditional storage areas such as lockers, cabinets, and drawers, enough to keep all of the provisions and cruising gear one could need for long-term sailing. Sailors setting off from Pacific Mexico can go off-grid in total comfort and in all seasons thanks to the onboard Cruisair AC system, Spectra water maker, and electrical setup with all Victron systems, including battery and solar monitors, inverter, charger, and of course the lithium batteries. This vessel is the 4-cabin, 2-head layout. Each hull has its own dedicated wet head and 2 cabins fore and aft, with the additional single berths located in the forward bow compartments. The head compartment comes complete with saltwater manual flush toilet, mirror, molded vanity and sink, and shower area. And with 7 6-gallon hot water tanks aboard, you'll never have to worry about running out of hot water. In the aft cabins, you'll find a double berth running the width of the hull, double inboard shelving, opening port lights for ventilation, lockers, and ample stowage areas below the berth. There's also a large opening hatch above the bed for natural light and a DC fan for climate control. Moving now into the forward cabins, you'll find many of the same amenities, including a double berth extending the full width of the hull, a single inboard shelf, an opening port light in the vertical window for light, a locker, and lots of hidden storage areas. Fully forward in this cabin is also a single 4-peak berth suitable for sleeping a single adult, children, or simply for additional storage. Now we'll move over to the starboard hull, which also has the 2-cabin, 1-head layout. Another great feature of these yachts is the generous 6-foot 6-inch headroom throughout, ensuring maximum comfort for guests and family. There are 2 aluminum fuel tanks aboard carrying 92 gallons of diesel in total, a 13-gallon holding tank, and 200 gallons worth of freshwater tank capacity. This head is exactly like the other aboard, with a saltwater manual flush toilet, mirror, molded vanity and sink, and of course shower area. There's also the opening port light and hatch above for natural light and ventilation throughout. This Leopard design is made all the nicer by opting for the rich wood cabinetry and trim throughout over the usual stark fiberglass finish, creating a warm atmosphere that feels more like a traditional yacht. Here we have another roomy double berth with multiple opening port lights, a large hatch above, hanging locker, and a variety of storage spaces. And finally, we have another V-berth type forward cabin with a double berth, large hull window with opening port light, overhead hatch, 4-peak berth, and an incredible amount of storage options. Good Day also comes with updated safety equipment, including a 6-person Viking life raft recertified in 2024, a new ACR EPIRB, life jackets, harnesses, flares, and a ditch bag. This 2011 Leopard 38 is available now, moored in beautiful Mazatlán, Sinaloa on the Pacific side of Mexico, a very popular stopping point for cruisers crossing the sea or heading into the Pacific. For any questions or to schedule a viewing, feel free to reach out to us at Blue Yonder Yachts.